Now, the connection between graphite and energy became apparent in 1972 when people, not in our group, but this was people in industry, and that was even more interesting, that people were in industry became interested in graphite for energy applications. And the very first application that was apparent was as a battery material, because they could have a charge and discharge. So the charge was to put ions between the graphite layers, and then the discharge was to take them out. So charge and discharge, and it was just like the operation of intercalation and deintercalation. And that prompted people to study what happened to the host material when some material, guest species, was inserted between the layers. What would it do? Would the layers just separate? How did the layer 1 know that layer 6 was supposed to be intercalated next in a stage 5 compound? That was kind of a mystery to us. Well, it turned out that it wasn't that all the layer 1, the first layer went in, and then layer 6 went in, and then layer 11. It wasn't like that at all, but there was a process. They tried all different layers, and there was kind of a network that was produced where you had regions. And so there was a kind of theory, and that theory, like many other things, happened in France. France was kind of the leading country in intercalation compounds for quite a number of years. And it wasn't only graphite intercalation compounds, but many other things started to follow suit, and people were interested in putting a guest species in other kind of host materials for battery and other applications. And so that the energy field was energized by this, and batteries became interesting on their own right, independent of whether graphite was the host material or something else.